Hello, look, that's my camera right there. It's disassembled. Something happened to it. Well, it's because I was outside and I broke it. Look, it opened up the lens right here. And before that, it already happened 2 times. So look, this goes to the very front, this goes second, and this goes third. Let's put it on. First it goes to this part. I think it goes like that. Okay, one. No. The second one in. But wait, I need to clean the lens. It's a little dirty. Okay, cleaning this lens. My towel to clean my glasses. Goes right in there. Just pop it in. Brand new. Perfect. Let's take a picture. Yep. Let's turn it off so you guys can see. Much light ups. Okay, now let's take a picture of me. The view.